Today we are going to have a sugar coating test for xylitol chewing gums by a rotary drum coating machine. First of all, we are loading our raw materials into the machine tank. With the auto-loading system, raw materials will be loaded into the drum easily. Meanwhile, we need to prepare the sugar syrup in advance. We have cooked the syrup in a 300-liter sugar cooker. Then the cooked syrup will be transferred into storage tanks. The tanks are connected to the drum sprayers. The spraying amount and frequency can be adjusted on the machine PLC. The machine is an enclosed space. All the required temperature and humidity is precisely controlled by the dehumidifier. The original weight of the gum is 0.83 grams each, and target weight is 1.2 grams each. After a few rounds of repeated process, gum has successfully gained its weight up to 1.2 grams each. The whole process takes about 3 to 5 hours. Until now, coating test is finished. Gums are downloaded. It will be transferred to the aging room for the next procedure. Gums will be packed into bottles or small packs. That's all for today's xylitol gum coating.